equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools, a screwdriver, a set of screws, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, remove the outer casing of the Dyson SV22. This usually involves unscrewing several screws located at the base and sides. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the casing is off, you'll see the motor. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean interior helps with performance. Next, remove the old motor by unscrewing it from its mount. Replace it with a new motor, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wiring harness, making sure the connections are secure. Before reassembling, do a visual inspection of all components. Look for any wear or damage that might need attention. Once satisfied, reattach the outer casing and secure it with the screws. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, you can always reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.